everyone, mabuhay. Habirism Tubuka is here at Johor Bahru. This morning I have an early walk. Time check is about 7:45 and I don't know what road is this, and I'm trying to go around as much as I can, and there is a passage over here. I don't know where it's leading to. This one. I'm trying to go down there and see where we'll be going. Still on lockdown here in Johor Bahru. Please come and walk with me, okay? Let's go. So there is actually a construction going on here, so maybe I will just pass through this construction site and I'll show you what is happening. I think this is Jalan Wong, Fook, and I see some signboard Sungai Segget construction, and I'm just turning around my camera and I'll try to walk around here at this construction site right now. Let's go. So this is the scenery here in Johor Bahru on a Sunday morning. Today is a working day here, so I think there are some people who will be walking down through this lane right now. So that is the construction. Some going construction of this Sungai Segget restoration, I think. So let me walk through here on the roadside until the end, and I show you how it looks like. Okay, let's go and continue walking. That is where we came from. A nice place, and we came here before. So one of the landmark here, I think, for this work is this one, and I believe it will be light up later. It's a huge one. If you will be coming to Johor Bahru next time around, this is how it looks like. That is actually the river down there. So let's continue walking as I'm showing you how this look like at the back. And then there are some pebbles. They already put it in through here. is actually where it starts the improvement of this river. If you can see, this is Segget with the love. Like I mentioned, it's early morning. The sun just rise up here in Johor Bahru. Now I'm trying to go and walk back to where we came from just now, over there. So let's go. Yes, we are walking back to where we start just now. And as you can see, this is actually Jalan Wong, Fook, one of the famous street here in Johor Bahru. And in fact, where we're going towards where we came from, the other side is actually the KTM station and going to Singapore. So this is ongoing again. This is an ongoing construction of this Sungai Segget river restoration. If you may see, maybe they will call it like that. You see this design of this chair. There you go. Early morning. These are all the activities here, everywhere. For all of us that making a living. Nice weather here at Johor Bahru. It's going to be bluish sky today. I can imagine that this will be a place for a lot of people. This is interesting. This is a Pawaga Broadway. It's a theater, Broadway theater, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. There you go. Early walk. I'm Jabarism Tubuka here at Johor Bahru. They put some barricades here, but I think I can just jump in. That is how it looks like. They are actually working today here in Johor Bahru. They start on Sunday. I don't know what that is, but probably the next time I will be going around that building. There we go. Definitely that will be a nice place to go next time. Let's continue here at Sungai Segget and parallel to Jalan Wong Fook. Some of this landmark there, and this temple, easy to find. Google it and you will be here. I'm sure this is This will be a popular landmark later. Sort of letter S with a star. Let's move to the end. As I mentioned earlier, that is the KTM museum and place to go to Singapore or out of the city. If you notice, there's a lot of cars. Again, I mentioned today is a working day here in Johor Bahru, Sunday. These are future features definitely in here, starting to rise up. Let's move the camera back where we came from. There you go. I don't know how long is this, but it's easily more than 500 meters. It's a shopping mall. Getting ready to open up. Johor Bahru City Square, and this is one of the features here. There are some similarities I've shown before, but I don't know where. Still under construction. I need to go underneath. There you go. Now again, this is it. We are approaching the end of this construction right now. This will be a water feature, I believe. There you go. This is the end of this project. This is all again for this short walkthrough here at Jalan Wong, Fook, and the under construction Sungai Segget beautification project. I can say it's a nice walk, nice weather here in Johor Bahru. It's always a nice weather for me every time I come over, and it's still very quiet, but a little bit busier now than the last time we came over 6 months ago or a year ago. And today also Sunday, I have mentioned that today is a working day here at Johor Bahru, so that is why there's a little bit of cars there. And I remember that the government now is actually relaxed the lockdown, going to a next phase here in Johor Bahru. So maybe the next time we will be coming here is this project will be finished. So stay tuned for that, and let's be safe, everybody, and I'll see you again later. Bye bye for now.